Hey, how you guys doing? This is Bobby, checking in from Saginaw Chippewa Indian Reservation. It is April 1st, opening day of spring turkey. Whew, man, it feels great to be back in the woods. The past week I've been driving down, scouting a little bit, so it's 11:15. I slipped into the blind, got my decoys set up. Now we're gonna give her a little bit, and maybe I'll do some calling. Let's see what the action brings, but man, I'm excited. Let's go. Spring turkey is here. Man, got him, man. Opening day, April 1st, Saginaw Chippewa Indian Reservation, Mount Pleasant, Michigan. Man, I sat out here all day, all afternoon. Finally seen one bird, and it was that beautiful time. He came in, committed, and the plan came together. Beautiful time. Awesome. I still have one more tribal tag, so I will be out here roaming around. Hey, this is Bobby, checking in. Appreciate you guys tuning back in to Midwest Whitetail. Have a great one.
Be there at 5:46. 5:46 a.m. just in time to find the birds off the roost. Look at the color of that. It is pretty. Well, good looking bird. Oh, yeah.
Well, it's March 24th. Finally made it to Nebraska. We're doing a little scouting. I got me and two other buddies out here turkey hunting this year. So far, we've only found a few birds, just right on the edge of walk-in. We're kind of learning another piece here. But I've seen some old tracks, turkey tracks, and Turk scat, but everything was dry, and I know one of the tracks looked fresh, but I'm starting to wonder if it was old. Hopefully we get on a flock of birds here. That'd be cool. Well, it is March 26th, second day here in Nebraska, and I made a really long haul down in here. I got about a 2-mile trek in through a lot of hills and timber to get down in this little bottom. Found where their birds were roosting the last few days, but they've been working these drainages up kind of into this walk-in, so I picked this spot off of Onyx and just kind of walked in, but figure if some break off up, we'll see what happens. on, but I have 2 tags here in Nebraska, so you don't. I can't explain to you how much work I put in for this bird. I actually set up about 200 yards south of me, and I just knew I was away from the flock too far. I could hear them over here, so I made a move at like 7 a.m. to get right here. I actually seen them birds out there sunning themselves or just kind of eating, grazing. And this bird come in. I should have shot him right there in the decoys with the GoPro and everything rolling, but I was just having a hard time deciding whether I wanted to shoot that thing or not. It's been a long time since I shot a jay, but that bird means more to me than most birds I shoot. That thing I work my tail off for, so I'm hoping to get on some more. I plan on sitting here pretty much all day, or unless they fill both tags. I'm probably only a couple 100 yards now with the main group, so once they start breaking up for the day, I think I'll be in the chips. I sure hope so. That was awesome. Thanks for watching.
Just go. It's been about 20 minutes since that bird flew down and hit the field over here. And he walked up into the woods and out of sight over to our right here. We're just gonna sit here and sit it out. We're in the middle of the big field, so I think if we sit here long enough, we'll definitely see some turkeys. On the gun. There he comes. Get ready, Wyatt. Hold on. Okay, Wyatt, whatever you can shoot it, Wyatt. You got it. You didn't wait. You didn't. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at the camera. What do you think?
Him right now. If he's...
Is that cool?
All right, well, little recap of what happened this morning. We got over here, we were running a little bit late, and we just got to the blind. I didn't have the decoy set up, and a turkey flew within 80 yards of the blind out in this field. And then we had some jakes start gobbling up on the ridge to the left. They flew down into the field, came in. They were here for, I don't know, it seemed like forever, probably half hour, 45 minutes. The boys said they were cold, so we got out and got in the sun, and they were literally running up and down this hayfield for, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes just to get warmed up. And this bird gobbled right up here behind us in these cedars about, I don't know, he was within 100 yards when he gobbled, so we hurried up and sprinted back to the blind, got in the blind, wasn't in the blind 2 minutes, and I looked up and he was right there standing on the road coming down into the field. As soon as I was trying to get the camera through the netting, and I just got it down to where I could actually get it on the turkey, and I said shoot, and it wasn't. Wyatt didn't hesitate. He pulled the trigger and down he went. But so that's pretty cool. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and we appreciate it. What do you guys think? Pretty awesome.